Two brand new 2024 all-weather warriors are here. The Pirelli Scorpion WeatherActive and the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2. Both promise year-round grip. Both wear the converted 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol as well. But which tire deserves your trust? Rain, shine or snow? Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Scorpion WeatherActive set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tire Reviews 2025, the 7 best all-weather tire tests. Let's kick things off with wet performance. The Goodyear stops nearly 1 meter shorter than Pirelli, a 3% better in wet braking. It's also a 0.7 seconds quicker in wet handling lap, translating to a 1% advantage. But when it comes to straight-line aquaplaning, the Pirelli calls back slightly with a 1% advantage, a 0.6 km per hour faster than Goodyear. In snow, it's a close battle. Goodyear brakes 0.1 meter shorter, which is a 1% advantage, but Pirelli bites back with better traction, 0.1 seconds quicker, a 3% edge, and a faster snow handling lap time by 0.81 seconds, translating to a 1% lead. On the ice, the Pirelli dominates. It brakes 0.46 meters shorter, that's a 4% edge, and pulls ahead by over a second in traction, which is a whopping 10% advantage. If winter extremes are your concern, Pirelli's got your back. Back to the dry, Goodyear regains the leads. It brakes 1.36 meters shorter than the Pirelli, a 3% advantage. It's also 0.17 seconds quicker around the dry handling lap, giving it a subtle 1% edge. Steering feel, slightly sharper, adding to driver confidence. In terms of comfort, it's neck and neck, but in exterior noise, the Pirelli is quieter by 2.6 dB, which is a 4% advantage. Pirelli also wins in rolling resistance with a massive 16% advantage, better for fuel economy. When it comes to price, they are practically identical. The Goodyear is just less than 1% cheaper. So in summary, the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2 takes the edge in wet and dry grip. On the other hand, if ice, noise, and saving fuel are your priorities, the Pirelli Scorpion WeatherActive makes a compelling case.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.